Hey everyone, this is day 4 of OpenAI's updates, and today they have launched a new tool. Okay, I can't call it a new tool exactly. It's a new feature called as Canvas, and they have directly launched it inside ChatGPT. And the first good thing is that everybody can use this tool irrespective of their subscription. So even free ChatGPT users can use this tool. So they said this tool will be rolled out now, but even if I refresh my ChatGPT page, I can't see that tool. So I will be explaining you with the help of the screenshots that I got from their live video. So first thing is, for whom is this tool going to be useful? This tool is going to be useful for story writing, content writing, essay writing, letter writing, these writers who want an AI assistant, and also for programmers. You will know it soon why I am saying this. So first thing is, you'll be having an icon like this in your chat GPT. If you click that, you'll be getting a bunch of options, and the last one is going to be Canvas. The rest three are self-explanatory. So once you click on Canvas, as it says, it's used for writing and code. So first thing is, in case if you want a story writing thing, you are just going to give a prompt, give me a story on something, and just enter the prompt. The difference from the normal chat GPT is that your screen gets divided into two parts. The left part is going to be just your prompt that you have entered. In the demo they showed write a Christmas story, and chat GPT's response is on the right side. And the good thing about here this response is that this response is editable for you. So in case if you want to make any changes, you can just click on that word and backspace and remove that word and make your changes. So it's basically having ChatGPT AI in Microsoft Word. It generates the code, you can edit it and do anything. So it's kind of like that. Here you can see write something. If you want to write something inside that space, put your cursor there, type something, you can do that. Exactly similar to MS Word with AI, and same thing here also. And you can even add this emojis thing, summarize, polish it. They had a bunch of features, but yeah, at the end these are kind of like same things that are previously done by ChatGPT itself. And it can also give comments on our work. So in case imagine you are having a research paper or a pre-written story, and if you want someone to comment on this, so ChatGPT is ready to do this. And in this example that they have showed, a guy is just putting his letter or some research thing into ChatGPT's prompt, and he asks, hey ChatGPT, can you leave some comments on the essay? And here now ChatGPT is showing three parts. The leftmost part is going to be your prompt, and the part in the center is going to be your essay or the research thing that you entered, and the rightmost part is going to be ChatGPT's views or comments on this research paper. For example, it has highlighted the portion in a mildish yellow color, and it has given a comment on this. For example, consider linking this introduction. So this applies for the highlighted first lines, and it has similar comments for the subsequent lines also. So that's really amazing, right? You know where exactly you need to make changes. And the great thing is that ChatGPT also does changes for you. For example, if you just hover over that comment and click on apply, those changes will be getting added over here. And this particular space is also editable. You can place your cursor, click and edit the words, add and delete the words, and you can apply the comments. And if you feel you don't want this comment, you can just click on the close and the comment goes off. After all this is done, you can just copy this. They're having a copy thing, copy button over here. I thought they will be having a download option. If you click that, it gets downloaded as a text or a PDF or a Word document. They don't have that, so you just need to copy it and put it wherever you want. So this is basically for story writing, and next is for the programmers like me. So in the demo, a guy basically pastes a basic Python code, but it has a mistake inside it. So he just says, hey ChatGPT, I have a mistake in this Python code, can you help me? And ChatGPT then gives an entire Python runtime area. So it gives a space where Python code has been automatically detected, and it has this cool highlightation of colors and stuff for the import, the packages and the variables. And it has also a runtime place where you can directly run your Python code. So the user then just runs the code, and here you can see it gives us an error. It says matplotlib does not have the attribute label. So it has detected the error here, and after that when you click on this error, it gives the solution like this. So it says fix bug. So if you click on fix bug, it automatically makes changes in that code. And after that, if you want to see what changes it has done, you can click on this icon, it will show you this. And if you run it again, the code works perfectly. And at this moment, I guess it only works for Python. I'm not entirely sure if this is going to work for other languages. I can comment on it after I try it out in the real demo. And it is also good in visualizing things. So in case if you're doing plotting, graph related things of code, you can just put that code here and run it. You will be getting an output in an image format. So you can even drag that image into the prompt and ask questions regarding that. So more such things, more good things. So this is Canva, and more on this after I get access to the real deal in my ChatGPT. And that's the video, guys. I hope you'd have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools and tech in general. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.